Expressions quiz sleep. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about sleep. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. I read bedside stories to Johnny until he was fast asleep. A was going to sleep. B had just gone to sleep. C was sleeping deeply. Was fast asleep means letter C, was sleeping deeply. Number 2. It was Susie's big exam and she hadn't slept a wink the night before. A hadn't slept at all. B hadn't slept enough. C hadn't slept badly. Answer is hadn't slept a wink means letter A, hadn't slept at all. Number 3. Justin wanted to have an early night for a change. A, get up earlier than usual. B, go to bed earlier than usual. C, go to bed early in the morning. Answer is letter B. Have an early night means go to bed earlier than usual. Number 4. I wish I could sleep in whenever I felt like it. A, get up late. B, get up early. C, stay up late. Answer is letter A. Sleep in means get up late. Number 5. When I was young, I used to fall asleep so easily. A, fall out of bed. B, go to sleep. C, suddenly wake up. Fall asleep means letter B, go to sleep. Number 6. When he's worried, Robert tosses and turns all night long. A, doesn't sleep well. B, sleeps very deeply. C, works out in bed. Tosses and turns means letter A, doesn't sleep well. Number 7. When I checked on Uncle Tom, he was dead to the world. A, no longer alive. B, in a very deep sleep. C, half asleep. Answer is dead to the world means letter B, in a very deep sleep. Number 8. Billy is a light sleeper, but her boyfriend isn't. A, sleeps with a light on. B, falls to sleep easily. C, is woken up easily. A light sleeper means letter C, is woken up easily. Number 9. Do you ever talk in your sleep? A, speak to people in dreams. B, speak out loud while asleep. C, talk while going to sleep. Answer is talk in your sleep means letter B, speak out loud while asleep. Number 10, last item. Why are so many people sleeping rough these days? A, not sleeping enough. B, not sleeping well. C, sleeping outside. Answer is sleeping rough means letter C, sleeping outside. This video ends here about expressions quiz sleep. Thanks for watching. Expressions quiz speed. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about how quickly or slowly something happens. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. The movie starts in 10 minutes, so we'd better get a move on. A. Go slower. B. Go sooner. C. Go faster. Get a move on means letter C. Go faster. Number 2. The traffic was moving at a snail's pace this evening. A. Very slowly. B. Faster than usual. C. Slower than ever. Answer is letter A. At a snail's pace means very slowly. Number 3. The meeting won't start until 8 o'clock, so take your time getting there. A. Don't be late. B. Don't be early. C. No need to rush. Take your time means letter C. No need to rush. Number 4. Tommy was going flat out when he crashed his motorbike. A. As far as possible. B. As fast as possible. C. As low as possible. Answer is flat out means letter B. As fast as possible. Number 5. If we hadn't been running late, we wouldn't have been speeding. A. Slowing down. B. Going so fast. C. Behind schedule. Running late means letter C. Behind schedule. Number 6. Our students are allowed to study at their own pace. A. At any speed that suits them. B. As quickly as they can. C. Whenever they want to. At their own pace means letter A. At any speed that suits them. Number 7. The war is over and slowly but surely life is going back to normal. A. Much too slowly. B. Gradually but definitely. C. Sometimes slowly and sometimes quickly. Slowly but surely means letter B. Gradually but definitely. Number 8. Grandma was driving like a bat out of hell. A. Quite terribly. B. Extremely fast. C. Very slowly. Answer is like a bat out of hell means letter B. Extremely fast. Number 9. Once the news got out, it spread like wildfire. A. Slowly. B. Steadily. C. Quickly. Answer is letter like wildfire means letter C. Quickly. Number 10. Some people are struggling to keep pace with changing social norms. A. Progress as fast as. B. Progress faster than. C. Progress slower than. Answer is keep pace with means letter A. Progress as fast as. This video ends here about expressions quiz speed. Thanks for watching. Expressions quiz success. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about achieving or not achieving success. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. The company has been going great guns since the new CEO took over. A. Doing very well. B. Doing a lot of good. C. Doing a bit better. Answer is, going great guns means letter A. Doing very well. Number 2. Our plan to open a cafe went by the board when the pandemic struck. A. Was postponed. B. Was approved. C. Was scrapped. Went by the board means letter C. Was scrapped. Number 3. Lydia thinks she is in the running for a promotion. A. Has no chance of getting. B. Has a chance of getting. C. Is going to get. Is in the running for means letter B. Has a chance of getting. Number 4. Henry passed his final exam with flying colors. A. With great confidence. B. With some difficulty. C. With high marks. With flying colors means letter C. With high marks. Number 5. For years, our campaign to protect the forest got nowhere, but at last we're getting somewhere. A. Achieving nothing. B. Achieving something. C. Achieving everything. Answer is, getting somewhere means letter B. Achieving something. Number 6. Do you think Emma will cut it as an actress in Hollywood? A. Fail. B. Succeed. C. Achieve greatness. Cut it means letter B. Succeed. Number 7. If you play your cards right, you could be in for a pay rise. A. Do good deeds. B. Have good luck. C. Make good choices. Answer is, play your cards right means letter C. Make good choices. Number 8. Even the poorest kids can make something of themselves if they get a good education. A. Succeed at something. B. Do something. C. Survive. Answer is, make something of themselves means letter A. Succeed at something. Number 9. With 95% of the votes counted, it looks like victory is in the bag for our candidate. A. Impossible. B. Unlikely. C. Certain. In the bag means letter C. Certain. Number 10, last item. The study of evolution has come a long way since Darwin first proposed it. A. Progress a lot. B. Explain a lot. C. Achieve a lot. Answer is, come a long way means letter A. Progressed a lot. This video ends here about expressions quiz success.